In this lesson, we will see together les figures de style, but more precisely, we will see le chiasme. So the first thing that we should define is les figures de style. What are we talking about? In the French language, as in any language, there are numerous figures of style, also known as figures de style or figures de rhétorique. These figures of speech are used to enhance the expressiveness, imagery, and impact of language in both spoken and written communication. These figures of style are used by writers and speakers to add depth, imagery, emphasis, and rhetorical flair to their language. And it makes their expressions more engaging and memorable. So, this lesson is about le chiasme. Chiasmus is a rhetorical device in which words or phrases are repeated in reverse order to create a balanced and mirrored structure. It is often used for emphasis, contrast, or to draw attention to the relationship between two ideas. Chiasmus adds symmetry and elegance to language and can make sentences more memorable and impactful. So we will see some example with le chiasme. Le roi aimait le peuple aimait le roi. Le roi aimait le peuple aimait le roi. Savoir, c'est ignorer. Ignorer, c'est savoir. Savoir, c'est ignorer. Ignorer, c'est savoir. La vie, c'est le rêve. Le rêve, c'est la vie. La vie, c'est le rêve. Le rêve, c'est la vie. Il faut manger pour vivre et non pas vivre pour manger. Il faut manger pour vivre et non pas vivre pour manger. L'art nourrit l'âme, l'âme nourrit l'art. L'art nourrit l'âme, l'âme nourrit l'art. Je pense, donc je suis. Je suis, donc je pense. Je pense, donc je suis. Je suis, donc je pense.